In this video you will learn how to organize your assets in Higgsfield AI using folders. Log into your Higgsfield AI account, sign into your dashboard to access your files or projects. Go to your library or assets section, open the area where your images, videos and files are all stored in Higgsfield AI. Create a new folder, click new folder and name it based on your project or category that you are working on. Select files to organize. Choose the images, videos or assets you would like to move into the folder you have just created. Move files into the folder. Drag and drop or use the move option so you can organize your assets in Higgsfield AI. Review and manage the folders. Check everything is sorted correctly and make adjustments if and when you need to. Now you know the best way to organize your assets in Higgsfield AI using folders. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.